Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Coinbase account safety with 2FA and whitelist addresses, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify your Coinbase account safety with two-factor authentication, or 2FA, start by logging into your Coinbase account. Navigate to the security settings available in your account dashboard. Locate the option for two-factor authentication under the security section. If 2FA is not yet enabled, click on the option to turn it on. Choose a method for receiving your two-factor authentication codes. You can opt for an authentication app, like Google Authenticator or Authy, for enhanced security. Follow the prompts to link your chosen authentication app to your Coinbase account. Once set up, your authentication app will generate a time-sensitive code. Input this code into the prompt on Coinbase to activate 2FA. After enabling 2FA, you will be prompted to add trusted withdrawal addresses. Begin by navigating to the Addresses section under your account settings. Here, you can whitelist specific cryptocurrency addresses for withdrawals. Click on Add Address and enter the cryptocurrency address you wish to whitelist. Make sure to double-check the address for accuracy before confirming. Once added, you'll receive a confirmation email to verify the new address. Click on the link in the email to finalize the whitelisting process. After adding and verifying your whitelist addresses, ensure you keep your authentication app secure. Regularly review your security settings to stay updated with the best practices. By following these steps, you ensure your Coinbase account is safe with 2FA and whitelist addresses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.